application, like say a pets application that has a simple class hierarchy, where I'm going to show you my workflow and awesome tips and tricks on with Intellij IDEA. So the first thing I need to show you is, I keep showing this over and over again, is this. So this is one of the key takeaways of this video, right? So this is the Intellij IDEA default key map. There is one for Windows and Linux as well as Mac. So please learn these keyboard shortcuts. I mean, it's highlighted, there is something called productivity boosters, which is highlighted in gray. Make sure you learn these, memorize that, make an effort so that, because these will really boost your productivity. I mean, if there is like the key takeaway of this short Intellij tips and tricks video is really that you should know by heart these keyboard shortcuts. There are plugins that help you do that. I'll make a video if there is interest about that. So to access this keyboard shortcut, go to Help, Key Map Reference. So another thing I have here is the Presentation Assistant plugin. So I don't know if you guys want me to, as I speak, I use Windows, but some of you, or quite a bit of you, probably use a Mac, just to make the this demo like more fluid. I don't want to be constantly saying, type Control-Shift-A for Windows, or Shift Command-A for Mac. As I type a keyboard shortcut, you will see at the bottom of the screen what the keyboard shortcut is for your operating system. Okay, let's start coding. The